Noah? Did you try to reach the pancake mix? What happened? Did it spill on you?
What happened, Noah?
What happened? You got on your shirt?
No.
On your feet?
Yes.
Did it get on your face?
Yes.
Are you going to do that again?
No. We're gonna eat the pancakes.
Whiskers is eating the pancakes.
Yes.
Are you going to get that again?
No.
No.
Yeah.
What do you say, Noah? What do you tell Mommy?
Yeah. What do you tell Mama?
No, sorry.
Sorry.
Are you going to help me clean it up?
Yes.
Okay.
Pancakes. I'll help too. I'll help too, Mama. Tea. Tea.